What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, Bay Area Crypt. I feel like that was lame. Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, your favorite host, Gabby. Today is not a spooky video. Quick disclaimer, today is not a spooky video. Today I am going to be doing a makeup video. I am wearing makeup. I'm wearing minimal makeup. This is literally like 20-minute makeup that I did before I had to jet out to work today, and it looks maybe not the best right now because I've been wearing it for over like 6 hours. So yeah, guess what I received in the mail today? I got my package from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Yeah. As someone who really likes Jeffree Star, someone who likes makeup, this video is for all of you out there wondering what is the hype behind the Jeffree Star palette, and we're gonna find out today. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. You know, I've never tried a Jeffree Star makeup product yet. I know, that's crazy, right? Like, I want to so bad. There's like so many Jeffree Star products I would buy, and I just haven't because, I don't know, girl, money comes and goes, you know? Look at that. Oh my god, this is what comes in it. It is a beautiful picture. It's glossy. You can tell it's, what is it called? Not enamel, when they gloss it. Well, it's this. It's got Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star, and on the back is a lovely picture of the conspiracy palette. It's here! Girl, here we go. Iconic. I love unboxing things. I've never done an unboxing on my channel yet, and I wanted to do it with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Shane Dawson collab, and I managed to get it, and I am so freaking happy and beyond grateful because I know that the Jeffree Star Cosmetics team is really trying. They're really busting it out. They're really trying their best. So everyone out there, be patient. Your orders will get in. I promise you. Just bear with them, you guys. You know what I mean? And to all of those of you that did not manage to get it on the first day, there'll always be another launch. So don't give up hope. I'm actually holding it. I am so beyond shook right now. I can't believe that I am holding the conspiracy palette in my hands. I managed to snag one. A huge thanks to Jeffree, my boyfriend Jeffree, not Jeffree Star, for snagging it for me. I am so freaking grateful, yo. Let's open her up. Alright, so we gotta slide it. By the way, very cute packaging. They did not hold back. It feels like 3D. Look at that. So very good. Oh my god. Oh, here she is. Ah. I am so freaking shook right now, you guys. I cannot believe it. Wow. I know everyone really talks about the quality of this thing, but real talk, like, they did not hold back. This feels really good. Like, I am shook. Like, for a palette, it is really good quality. Like, just feeling it in my hand, it feels heavy. I ordered the Mini Controversy palette as well, but it still has not arrived to my house, which shows you how just crazy and hectic it is with everybody buying everything literally on the site. So here it is. They put like the YouTube, let's see if you can see that, the YouTube sign on the back. That is really cool. I like the clasp too, because if you travel or, you know, you put your palette in your makeup bag and you don't want it to spill, perfect, girl. We got you. Here it is. Oh, I have it on camera. I am shook. Here is the palette in its full glory. I don't know if you guys can see it. The ring light is really bright, but it looks like this. Ranch is really pretty. It's like a pearl white. You got ranch. You got My Pills, very soft pink if you want to do a pink base. You got Tanacon. Great. You got Diet Root Beer. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I am shook right now holding this in my hands. Me, an average Jill, holding this freaking masterpiece. I'm just shook. Like, the whole YouTube videos were awesome, no lie. I know a lot of people are upset because of the whole, oh, this seems like a cash grab or advertisement. But even without, like, all that aside, this is a really cool palette, you guys. No lie, a lot of work went into this, and I appreciate a good work of art. Like, that was time and dedication and hours spent doing something. And to be honest, for everyone to like it like that, like, that's really awesome, man. Getting back to it, we got just the Theory, which is like this, you know, what is it called? Like shimmery brown. You got Spiraling, which is a darker shimmery brown. Ooh, it looks so pretty. You got Conspiracy. Ah, girl, it's like money green. That is like so perfect. That fits like exactly what it is. You got Pigment. Oh my god, they stamped these so freaking good. Like, it literally, it's like a pig. Let me see if you can see that. Look at that. It's a literal pig. It's stamped in there. That is like really cool. Really cool of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics team. You got Food Videos, which is this crazy like neon yellow, which is totally in line with Shane's videos. Trisha is really pretty because it's like pink, but it almost looks like pink blue, almost. Like, it's kind of hard to describe. And you got Cheese Dust, which is like so vibrant orange yellow. That's like perfect for right now because it's fall time here in California. So you've got like a great starter. You got Flamin' Hot, which is really red. You love that. What's the Tea? It's this like bluish, if you want to do a blue look. Then you got Diet Cola. I was really excited for this one because it's silver, and I freaking love silver pigment, dude. You got Not a Fact. It's a really deep dark maroon. It is so pretty. It doesn't look this dark on camera, but when you get it up close, it is really dark. You got Sleep Paralysis, which is really pretty. It's a great holiday color. Illuminati. Ooh, girl, it's like a really deep forest blue green. It's just perfect. And you got My Rides here, which is the perfect black combo. So, and then it's got a mirror, of course. I thought, even though I've done my makeup already and it's been on for a couple hours, I thought it would be fun to go ahead and play with the eyeshadow a little bit, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my I don't get that ready. My Jeffree, Morphe, and Jeffree Star brush collection. I actually did manage to grab this. I think it's available on the Morphe site still. I bought this because my old makeup brushes were literally like 3 years old. I'm not even kidding. Like, they were so old that they were starting to get like really scratchy, and my eyes would be like drying and it felt like sandpaper. And I was like, why am I doing this to myself? Like, let me just buy other brushes. And I gotta admit to you, like, I'm someone, if I love a product, I'll love it to the end and I won't friggin' buy another one. So I was like, you know what? That's nasty, girl. There's bacteria on your eyes. Let's just do it. You know what? I'm gonna take the Morphe Jeffree Star JS12 brush and go into Tanacon and see how it looks like. So here we go. Oh my god. That's a really nice color, actually. Jeffree Star, I think, mentioned that you can use this as bronzer, and I agree. It's like the softest hint of brown shade. Now I'm taking the JS8 Jeffree Star Morphe brush and I'm going ahead and just blending that in, just nice and high and softening it up. Okay, so now that we've got our transition shade on, now we should go into, let's make it just a little bit deeper. I'm gonna go into Diet Root Beer. Oh my god, that is so cute. It has a little root beer on there. Just gently tap it and put it on the outer edges of my eye. This is gonna go ahead and add a little bit of dimension to the overall look. Just make it nice and shaded. There we go, look at that. Nice and blended. And then on the other side,
and just using that same blending brush we used earlier, just going ahead and blending in that shade nicely. Alright, and that really brings out, you know, the kind of hollowness, I should say, or the dimension of your eyes, which is gonna add a real nice touch. Now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, since I want to keep it like fall time inspired, I'm gonna go into Flaming Hot. I don't know what the look is yet, but we're just gonna roll with the punches. So I'm going into Flaming Hot, dipping in that same brush, and just using a little bit and putting it again on the upper outer edges of my eye. Ooh, that is a awesome color. I am really liking that. And then we just blend it out. You can blend it towards the upper edges if you want. Or you can take it all the way up if you want to do that. It just really depends on what look you want to go for. Sometimes I like to take it all the way up and I just go like, whatever, let's just do it, right? I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Jeffree Star JS10 brush one more time. Go back into Flaming Hot, just dip it in there, and on the outer part of my eye, I'm just gonna stamp that red in so it doesn't look super bare. Just very, very lightly dip into it, very, like the lightest touch you want to stamp it. I'm going to go into Cheese Dust and stamp that. Just grab a good amount. Really just, it really does look like cheese dust when you blow it away. And put it on my lid. So here we go. Just really bringing that fall time inspired look. Alrighty, you guys, so that is how the eyeshadow is looking right now. Not bad. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do to finalize this look is go into Just a Theory and place that on my inner corner. See what it looks like. Oh, that's so pretty. Whoa. That's like highlight. It does not play, dude. Holy smokes. That is like really, really nice. Look at that. Alrighty, you guys, that is the final look for right now. I'm not gonna do anything crazy because I've already had my makeup on for super many hours, but I will be back with another video more in depth, showing a little bit more better quality that I can do with this palette, and I should be getting my mini controversy in the mail soon, so we'll see how things go. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to, you know, like it. Really appreciate that. Subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Gabby. I'm from Bay Area Crypt. Have an awesome rest of your day. Bye!